So today we are looking at Keele Roundabout, also known as Gallows Trees Roundabout. So here is your normal view, a frozen view, and you can see on your left, that's Cemetery Road, straight ahead, Newcastle, right, Clayton, and forward, Keele University. Now we make it live, so you now can see vehicles moving on this roundabout. So if you take a look at this vehicle coming from Newcastle, he's turning right, look at his position. Keeps it close to the roundabout, but then because of the chevrons he would have to move out, so potentially that is quite a dangerous manoeuvre, especially when this roundabout's more busy. This is how I would suggest you turn right into Cemetery Road. So we're in the right lane. Sorry about the sun here, it's a bit awkward. And then you're in the right lane, but you're kind of following that white line around. So now you're moving into the left part of the roundabout, so a spiral roundabout, and then that keeps you away from the chevrons and it manages the risk on your left. So now, because of the unusual perspective you get, because we are around about 280 feet up from the roundabout, you can sit here and you can watch how the vehicles go. Now, if you look and think about your driving lessons, think about what you've read, you can see the lanes that you should be in, but you'll see lots of vehicles just slightly in the wrong lane or completely in the wrong lane. So taking a few minutes just to view this roundabout will really help you develop your driving. So again, from all of us at stokedrivingschool.com, we hope this helps and just gives you a little bit more insight into driving and dealing with multi-lane roundabouts, spiral roundabouts. Thank you very much.